What's going on, everybody? My name is Elijah, and you're watching Elijah Builds. Now, if you've missed out on any of my previous videos, then take a look down in the description. There's a link to my channel. You can check out any videos that you may have missed. Now, in last week's video, I made a Kintsugi inspired coaster, and while that thing looked really rough because I dropped it 3 or 4 times, I'm still happy enough how it turned out that I decided to scale up my project idea and use that same method to create a coffee table. So I did, and I think that the thing looks great. Even though this is only my second or third time pouring concrete, I'm still really happy with how the pour turned out in the mold. There's some little holes on the surface from where there's bubbles, but I think that that just adds character to the top. Overall, this is a really simple and straightforward project. In fact, the hardest part of it was just trying to figure out how to move the 100-pound slab that I created. But I don't really want to talk about that. I actually want to talk about the filming and editing, because that's what I had the most fun with on this project. You'll notice that this week's video is a lot more fun and stylized than my previous videos, and that's because I put a lot more thought into the motion and framing of my shots, trying to get something different from what I've been doing previously. It was a lot more of a challenge to film this way, but I think that the payoff is something that's a lot more fun to watch. I'm not always going to film like this though, because simply the subject matter won't always work with it, but it certainly did help me learn a lot about the capabilities of what I should be doing in camera versus what I should be doing in post. And really, it was just a lot of fun to film something differently. But as always, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, then consider dropping a like and subscribe. It helps me out, makes me happy, makes me want to keep making more of these. Thank you guys, enjoy, and see ya.